Hi there, I'm Alan. Nice meeting all of you. We are Wenzhou Ruizhi Packing Machinery Company, professional manufacturer of paper bag machines. As more and more countries place the bans on plastic bags, paper bags become increasingly popular both at home and abroad. In recent years, we have been receiving many inquiries about our paper bag machines, and our sales volume has been doubled last year over the previous year. Today, I will give you a brief introduction about our square bottom paper bag machine model 330, the most popular model among our customers. This model can produce paper bags with widths between 120 millimeters to 330 millimeters. This model consists of 5 units: unwind unit, paper tube forming unit, cutting and bottom folding unit, bag collecting unit, and electric control box. Unwind unit is an independent frame. We adopt hydraulic system for material loading and unloading, magnetic powder brake for constant tension control, Italy selector guide system for edge correction. This design will help our customers save labor cost and reduce material waste. This is side gluing head. Glue will come from glue barrel by high pressure through pipes, and it will automatically separate with paper tube when the machine stops running. Next, we come to paper tube forming unit. This is a set of forming plates, the weight of which is in accordance with the extra size of paper bag width. If you make another size, you need to change the plates. These wheels are for cassette mating. They can be adjusted horizontally and vertically. These rubber wheels are for applying pressure to the running paper tube. Next, we come to the cutting and bottom folding unit, the most important part of our machine. Paper tube is delivered by the traction roller and cut by sawtooth knife. The cutting length is precisely controlled by servo motor. After cutting, paper tube will be further delivered here to get the 2 creasing line in preparation for bottom folding. Inside, there's a big drum divided into 4 sections. The drum rotation for 1 circle is for making 4 paper bags. This part is for bottom opening, and this roller is for gluing. Glue will be added to this groove from the same glue barrel and monitored with this sensor monitoring glue amount. After being glued, paper bag bottom will be folded. Then finished bags will be delivered onto this table. The final step is to collect these bags and have them packed. Now you have already an idea about how the paper bags are produced. Later, our technician will start the machine for test running. For more details, please go and visit our website or contact our salespeople for further discussion. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.